First, make a perfect round. You have to make a circle and hold for a few seconds before release. Second, easy coloring. You can drag the color into the shape. You can also adjust the color through the threshold. Draw symmetry. Click Setting and Guidelines, edit guidelines, and you can choose the symmetry. Vertical, horizontal, wide, and radial. Don't forget to activate the rotational symmetry. Let's start to draw something.
This, or this. First, you have to click Brush tab on GoPaint application. Open the store icon. Click Brushes tab. Search for the bolt of inspiration. Just click the download button. Sorry, because I have already downloaded it. And done. Now, you can also use the cloud brushes like I do. Select layer for the specific object you want to copy. Then click Selection tool. There are 4 options: wand, freehand, rectangle, and ellipse. Shape the object you want to copy. Then click Copy to Layer. And you are done. Okay, let's check it once. Don't forget to check my YouTube channel, like, and subscribe. Draw the base layer with soft edge painting brush. Add new layer above it. Change the blend mode into color dodge. Pick a color and draw with the same brush. Copy-paste the layer to make the color more vibrant. Prepare object with feather outline. Add mask color dodge layer. Draw with soft edge painting brush. Use brighter color from the object. Pick white color. Repeat a new mask color dodge layer. And done. The simplest way, use electric elements brush. It's really easy, right? It's just the same. I copy-paste the layer multiple times to make the color more vibrant. Open the artwork on your GoPaint application. Click Menu. There's Export and Share. Click it. Choose between these type of file you want to save your artwork. Click Save button to save the artwork. Now it's already saved on Gallery. Let's check it out. Open your artwork on GoPaint. Click Menu, then click Play Time-Lapse button. On right corner, click Share icon, choose 30 seconds or full length, and click Save. Let's check. Open Gallery, click the video, play. That's how you save your amazing artwork. See you on my next video. Go to Menu. Click Reference to attach image you want to use. A window will open and click Import image on it. Choose between these 2 options. I usually go with Select from Gallery. When opened, then select image you want to make it as a reference. You can zoom in or zoom out the image. Or you also can enlarge the window. You can click Clear Image if you want to choose other image. Or directly import, again, New Image. As usual, open the work you want to work with. Choose the layer you want to adjust the opacity. So here is the look. I'll show the preview when I adjust it. Get a new canvas for your artwork. Import an image you want to trace. Decrease the opacity of the image as you want. Add a new layer above it. Select a brush and pick a color. Then, try to trace the image carefully. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment.
So, what's next?